Hi, this is Sister Mary Esther, the librarian at Aquinas College. I'm going to show you how to find the materials you need at Aquinas Library. You can find the Aquinas Library webpage through the college website. Go to the college website and at the top menu there's a link to the library, or if you're accessing this through your phone, you'll need to use the side menu. When you click on that library link, it'll take you to a page where there's a link for the library website. Our search interface searches everything: print books, ebooks, databases, and WorldCat at the same time. Let's start with a keyword search from the library's homepage. And on the bottom of the screen, additional databases from EBSCO will pop up. I recommend minimizing that, and you can access it later through this bottom right menu if you can't find what you're looking for. So this gave us over 60,000 results on libraries worldwide, and it defaults to sorting them according to library, which means that it will show all the results that are held by Aquinas Library first. You could also sort the results by best match or by recency. You can make the date while having the newest first. Let's keep it at library. And if you go to the left column, there are a number of filter options where you can filter your results by format. Say you're just looking for a journal article, or if you're just looking for a book, either a print book or an ebook. Or you could also limit your results by publication years, such as the last 5 years for education books. And you could further limit your results to just those held by Aquinas Library. It defaults to search libraries worldwide. I'm going to limit this search to books, to print books in fact. And if you click on a title, you can find more information such as a table of contents, which gives you an idea if this is the book that you need. And it also tells you where to find the book. This one's in the main stacks of the library, and here's the call number for finding that item on the shelves. If you need information on how to renew books you've checked out or to make an interlibrary loan for items that we don't have, there are directions on the top menu: how to renew books, how to make interlibrary loans, or if you need assistance, there's a help page where it shows how to contact me, either email or call me, or on the home page there's also a link where you can make an appointment if you'd like. And you can drop in any morning. I'll be available, and I'd be always happy to help. God bless.